this for you. Okay, so we're doing a new little exercise on our C scale. We're going from middle C to high C. Normally we would do this, C, D, and we would call out the notes, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. What we're going to do this time is this. But we're going to do it much, much slower. So let me count us down. It has kind of a three-quarter waltz kind of feel to it. So 1, 2, 3, C, D, E, D, E, F, E, F, G, F, G, A, G, A, B, A, B, C, B, C, D, C. This is really hard for me too, and it's helping me keep track of what these notes are in a whole different context from what I originally learned. So we'll keep working on this, and then we'll add the descending scale next week.